Hey everyone, welcome to technologyglance. In today's video, I'm gonna show you how to add profile picture on Instagram. So let's get started. Begin by launching your Instagram application. Now tap on your profile icon at the bottom right corner of your screen. Tap on Edit Profile button. Now tap on Edit Picture or Avatar option. To add profile picture on Instagram, tap on New Profile Picture or you can import from Facebook. Now tap on any one of the options. Now select the picture that you would like to add. Or else just tap on Photo option and click the photo. Once you're done, tap on the next button at the top right corner of your screen. And this is how you can add profile picture on Instagram. Thanks for watching technologyglance. If you like this video, hit the like button and drop a comment with any questions or feedback. If you are new, subscribe and click the bell icon to stay updated on the future videos.